I chose Seattle U Law because I knew I wanted something that centered social justice. The motto is currently leader serving justice, and so those things resonated deeply with me.
If you really want to feel like you're part of a community where you're accepted and you're understood and you're challenged, this is a great place for you to come.
We attract students that are very rich in their dedication, their intellect, and also very rich in their heart.
We educate our students with a student-centered and cutting-edge curriculum rooted in Jesuit Catholic ideals of rigorous inquiry, excellence, and a passion for justice.
Seattle U encourages us to be future leaders, setting us up for success and making sure that we're aware of the opportunities to continue to cultivate that leadership. Faculty are very engaged with students, readily available for advice.
We really are all focused together in teaching you how to think and act like a lawyer.
I learned how to become a lawyer, how to look at it from a sense of humanity and empathy. At SU, you leave wanting to be a steward and do good work.
The law school has many resources available for students to help them think through their career paths and then connect them with alumni who might be in those various positions, companies, law firms.
Our law school is strategically positioned in one of the global centers of innovation and technology.
I really appreciate that Seattle University is situated in the heart of the city.
You're going to find Seattle U Law graduates at every law firm, every office, every part of the city and the county.
For someone who is considering Seattle University School of Law, if you're interested in a top-tier education, one with a warm and inviting community, with fantastic faculty, in a city that has an abundance of opportunities in private practice, in public interest, in nonprofit work, you can't go wrong with Seattle University.